Alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back, students. So we were done with this first question of first exercise. Now the second question is factorize the following, and the first part is 7x minus 42. So what we will do, we'll factorize this 7x first. So it will be 7 into x. Now comes the 42. So this is the factorization of here. So the answer will be 2 into 3 into 7. Now as the past suggests, we have to subtract them. So now 7x minus 42 will be equal to 7 into x minus, then in place of 42 we will write 2 into 3 into 7. Now students, we have to see which number is common in both, which number, which variable, anything. Okay, so it's 7 is common, so I am just writing this 7 here, then with a bracket. So see, if 7 is gone from these two number, what number will be left? Only x will be left here. Okay, so it's x here, then this minus. Now 7 is also gone from here, so it will be 2 into 3. That's it. So in the next step, I'll just write 7, then bracket, then this x, then this minus, and 2 3s are 6. So this is my final answer. Now the second part is 6p minus 12q. In this way, we will just first factorize 6p. It will be 2 into 3 into p, and in place of 12q I'll write 2 into 3 into 2 into q. You can factorize it like this: 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6, and 3 ones are 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, now it's 6p minus 12q. So in place of 6p I'll write 2 into 3 into p, then minus, then in place of 12q I'll write 2 into 3 into 2 into q. So I'll see which numbers, which variables are common. 2, I'll write 2, 3 is common, and nothing else. That's it. So I'll just put a bracket here, and I'll see which number is left in both these terms. Here only p is left, then there is minus, then in these four numbers 2 and 3 are gone, so the left numbers that are left are 2 into q, right? So in the next step, what I'll do, it is 2 into 3 bracket p minus 2 into q will be 2q. Okay, so one more step can be added here. 2 into 3 is 6, then bracket, then p minus 2q. Then there is one more part, that is part number D, and it is minus 16z plus 20z cube. So in place of minus 16z, I'll just write a minus for this, and in place of 16, I'll write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into z, and in place of 20z cube, I'll write 2 into 2 into 5 into z into z into z. You can separately prime factorize it like just like this. Okay, so now the thing is minus 16z plus 20z cube. So I'll just write these numbers in place of these. Okay, so if you could just see, then this minus will be just here, and I'll check this 2 and 2, 2 and 2, then 1z, so it will be 4z outside, right? So in the inside, in the bracket, I'll write this, and this is, these three are gone, let's say. So what is left then? 2 into 2 here, and here if these 2 and this is gone, there will be 5 into z, right? So in place of, I'll write 2 into 2, 4, 4z, bracket, 2 2s are 4, right? Then minus, minus, fine. 5 into z will be 5z square. That's how you are going to do these questions. And students, one more thing, if you will be wondering why this minus is here, just see, we were having this minus then plus, but if minus is taken outside, so it will be, this is minus and this is plus, so it will be minus plus minus. Okay, and this minus minus, it will be plus. So my this will be okay. Now students, question number 3 is factorize. So it is x square plus xy plus 8x plus 8y. So I'll take two terms at a time. Okay, so I'll just factorize it. X square, in place I will write x into x. Here I will write x into y. Here I'll write x into 8 into x, then x into y. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll just see these two numbers, I'll make pairs, right? These two and these two. Okay, so what is common in both of them? It's x, then in the bracket I'll write this x, then plus, then this y, plus, in both 8 will be here, then a bracket, then x plus y, right? See, these two are same, so I'll just write once this, and then this x, this plus y. If it will be y minus, I'll write x minus 8. Okay, So the answer is x plus y and x plus 8. And the second part is 15xy minus 6x plus 5y minus 2. See, we have to make pair of those numbers in which there can be something common can be extracted out, right? So if I'll just see these two, I won't be getting anything. So what I'll do, I'll just take this 5y to this side and this 6x to this side. So I'll just factorize it. It will be 3 into 5. This is 15 into x into y. Here it will be 5 into y minus 2 into 3 into x. That means 6x minus 2. Then I'll check this. This 5y is coming out. So inside it will be 3x plus 1. And in this case, only 2 is coming out. Only 2 is common. So in the bracket I'll write 3x plus 1. Okay. This plus is because, see, it's minus here. Okay. So I have to make sure when I'm doing the next parts, it should be minus should also be here. See, minus plus will be minus. That's why I have kept a plus here. So the final answer is coming out to be 3x plus 1. It's same in both. The things in the bracket, those should be same. Okay. Then only we can just do this. So it's 3x plus 1. Then it is 5y minus 2. It's 5y minus 2. That's it. And the third part is ax plus bx minus ay minus by. So in place of ax, I'll write a into x, then b into x, then a into y, then b into y. So x is coming out to be the common, then it will be a plus b, minus y is common, it will be a plus b. Y is plus here because it was minus, so plus minus plus will be minus. That's it. So the answer is coming out to be a plus b because both are same. They should be same. If they are not same, that means I have some doing something wrong in the question, right? And next pair will be x minus y. That's all for today.